Hey guys, this is Cody with Titan Truck, here to talk to you about Truxedo's ProX15 tonneau cover. The ProX15 is Truxedo's premium soft roll-up cover and is packed with lots of cool features. Probably the best designed soft roll-up cover on the market, with a lower profile than most other covers. It's made of new black woven fabric that looks clean and sharp, that repels water and dirt, giving it a clean, dry look at all times. The ProX15 seals to your bed rails with an industrial grade hook and loop system, keeping the elements out. Now, possibly the best thing about this cover is Truxedo's patented tension control system. It keeps the cover tight and smooth, even with temperature fluctuations where other covers may stretch or buckle. When your bed is in use, the cover stores easily. All you have to do is roll the cover up and secure it with 2 safety straps. One of the best things about the ProX15 is how quick and easy it is to install. Installation is a snap requiring no drilling, and it only takes about 20 minutes. And it removes in seconds with no tools, giving you access to your bed on the go. Unlike your cheap imported truck bed covers, the Truxedo ProX15 is made right here in America, and it's specifically manufactured for your trucks, your make and model, fitting perfectly every time. Now, with a retail price starting at $450, the ProX15 is a great value. You can find this product and other truck bed covers on our website at titantruck.com. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on notifications so you get a notification every time we post a video. You can like us on Facebook at facebook.com/TitanTruck or on Instagram at Titan Truck Spokane. I'm Cody with Titan Truck, and we'll see you next time.